cleansing and moisturising routine for faux locks. Hello and welcome to Naturally High, the channel that helps you grow your 4A, 4B and especially for C hair to longer lengths. Right now, and the driver's trying to tell me I don't sound like I'm from Trinidad. When I came to Trinidad for Carnival and ended up staying put for a few months, I decided to try out a new style. Bored with having spent the past 10 years with loose natural hair, I opted for faux locks. I love them. They capture my alter ego so brilliantly. When last did you do something different with your hair? How did you find the style? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I've been keeping these moisturized and my scalp cleansed. I've been using two products. The first is this witch hazel spray. So I'd recommend any sort of mist that you can put onto your scalp that will cleanse it, something perhaps containing tea tree oil or vinegar or something that will help lift sebum from your scalp. And then I've been using this runny leave-in conditioner from Carol's Daughter. It's refresher spray. I literally just went to Pennywise and I picked up something that is a moisturizing product. It's also got some protein in it as well, so that's a bonus. It's just so that I could make sure that my hair wasn't entirely parched underneath these locks. I've been keeping my scalp cleansing and my lock moisturizing routine very simple, and the reason for that is I didn't want to do a full wash day just in case my hair didn't respond well to it. My hair is very not prone, especially after cleansing, and I really just wanted to avoid any major setback this year. The first thing I'll show you is how I've been cleansing my scalp. It's super simple. I've just been spraying it. So I spray this all over my scalp, focusing on the partings. And once I'm satisfied with my coverage, I take my hands and I just rub my scalp, so I massage it like so, just to make sure that the lavender witch hazel spray gets everywhere. And for some extra cleansing potency, I use my scalp massaging brush. Now, with afro hair, our scalps do produce sebum, but because of the structure of our hair, because it's so meandering, the sebum doesn't flow so effectively down the hair shaft, especially in cases like this where the hair is braided or twisted and then it's wrapped in a layer of plastic. There's not so much of a need to cleanse down the length of the hair, so I'm going to first spritz my hair with some water and then I shall apply the conditioner I've been using to keep my hair moisturised. Now that my hair's been doused with water, I'm going to spritz each lock with this conditioner. So I just stick the nozzle into the lock and spray, and then I squeeze like so, and I just kind of throw the lock aside. Yeah, my locks have been sticking to each other quite a bit. So I've just finished my head and my hair is damp. So what I'm going to do now is, because it's difficult to tell whether I've really accessed all of my hair, I'm going to put a plastic bag on my head for about half an hour, just to help kind of seal the moisture in, make sure, like, create that micro environment, that really moisture rich micro environment, so that my hair has as much opportunity as possible to be moisturized. Then I'll take the plastic bag off and let my hair air dry. And that's literally all I've been doing. I do this like once or twice a week, and it's been so easy to maintain these locks just by doing that. So this is kind of my way of deep conditioning my hair while it's in these faux locks. It's been over half an hour, so I'm going to remove this wrap and the plastic bag, and I'll just let my hair air dry. It's damp. It smells really good. I'll loosen it. So this is what my hair looks like right now. It'll be air drying, and I'll take the locks out next week, I think. I wanted to take them out today, but they still look so good. So why would I do that? There you have it. My simple method for moisturising and maintaining faux locks. Have you sported faux locks before? How did you cleanse and moisturise them? Are you curious to see how my carnival was? Do you want to know more about my experience with these locks? Then make sure you're following me on Instagram @naturally_high_hair to see all of this and more.